I am Sonali and you are watching my channel Golden Days with me. Many friends requested me to show India's different states sari, and today I will show that. India is a place where every state is rich in their own culture. Every state has their own sarees, and today I will show you that. Today I will show you one or two sarees from each state. Let's start. I will start this saree journey of India with West Bengal sarees, and I will end this saree journey with Kashmir sarees. First I will start with this saree. This is West Bengal's Muslim Jamdani. It is very famous in West Bengal and also in Bangladesh. And then I will show you Balu Chori saree. Bengal's very famous Balu Chori saree. Its pollu and border is with mythological Ramayana, Mahabharata stories. Then I will show you Bengal's Kantha saree, Kantha work saree. This is hand embroidery. Then I will show you UP's Benarasi. And I will show you its beautiful pallu. This is UP's Benarasi saree. Then I will show you UP's Lucknow chikankari saree. This is hand embroidery. Its name is chikankari and it is art of Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow is very famous for chikankari hand embroidery. Then I will show you Tamil Nadu's Kanjivaram. I will show you another Kanjivaram because it's little different from first one. And now I will show you Gujarat's Gharchola saree. Gujarat is famous for bandage, bandhni, gharchola, gotapatti work. This one is Gujarat's very famous gharchola saree. Then I will show you another famous one, that is Gujarat's Achrak. This one is Gujarat's Achrak vegetable dye saree. Then I will show you Kerala cotton saree. This one is golden border Kerala cotton saree. And Kerala sarees are known as Setu Mundu. So I will show you that also. This is two-part saree. This one is golden border Setu Mundu. and this one is silver border setu mundu from Kerala. Then I will show you Maharashtra's saree. Maharashtra is famous for khun saree. This one is khun saree. And another famous saree of Maharashtra is Paithani. This one is very famous Maharashtra Paithani silk saree. Then I will show you Madhya Pradesh saree. Madhya Pradesh is famous for Chanderi and Maheshwari. This one is Chanderi saree. Whole saree has small booty and its pallu is amazing. Look at its pallu. It's very beautiful, right? This one is Madhya Pradesh Chanderi saree. I will show you another one. This one is Peacock Feather Pallu Chanderi. I will show you another one. This one is Printed Chanderi. And Madhya Pradesh is also famous for Maheshwari saree. This one is Maheshwari. Now I will show you Assam saree. Assam's Muga silk saree. This one is Assam's Muga silk saree. Now I will show you Assam's Mekhla. Assam is famous for Muga saree and also famous for Mekhla saree. This one is Assam's very famous Mekhla saree or Mekhla chadar. Now I will show you Rajasthan's Lehriya saree. Rajasthan is famous for kota, lehriya, bandage, patni, ajrak, etc. This one is silk kota lehriya. Now I will show you Karnataka's Ilkal silk saree. Karnataka is famous for Ilkal saree. Also Karnataka is famous for Kasoti work saree. And this one is Ilkal Kasoti work saree. This work is Kasoti work. Ilkal Kasoti work saree from Karnataka. Now I will show you Orissa saree. Orissa has different kind of sarees. I will show you only two. First I will show you Bomkai. Bomkai saree has very wonderful border and pallu. So this is Orissa saree's border and this is Orissa saree's pallu. It's very beautiful. Now I will show you Pasapulli saree. And look at its border. Now I will show you Pachampalli saree from Telangana. This is Pachampalli saree. It's very beautiful. Now I will show you Kalamkari saree from Andhra Pradesh. First I will show you patchwork Kalamkari saree because it is from giant Kalamkari. So this one is patchwork Kalamkari saree on Kota silk and this is artist giant Kalamkari's work. So it's so beautiful. Saree is Kota silk and this patchwork is Kalamkari. And this one is cotton Kalamkari saree. It is also patchwork designer saree. Half portion is Kalamkari and half portion is patchwork. Now I will show you another beautiful one. It is Manipur's Moirang Phi saree. I love Manipur's jewelry and saree and this one is beautiful and colorful Manipur's Moirang Phi saree. Now I will show you Bihar's Bhagalpuri silk tasar saree. This is Bhagalpuri tasar silk from Bihar. Bihar also famous for Madhubani paint saree. And I will show you one Madhubani hand painting saree on tasar. This is pure tasar and this one is Madhubani hand painting on pure tasar. I will show you Chhattisgarh Kusha silk. Kusha silk is quite similar with Tassar silk, and today I am going to show you Chhattisgarh Kusha silk saree. This one is Kusha silk saree. It is also very beautiful. Now I will show you Jharkhand Kuchai silk saree. Kuchai silk saree also quite similar like Tassar. Now I will show you very famous Punjab's Fulkari work saree. This is also hand work of Fulkari. It is from Punjab. Now I will show you Kashmiri saree. Kashmir is very famous for Khasi embroidery and Pashmina saree. Today I will show you both. This one is Pashmina saree. And this one is Khasi saree. Khasi embroidery saree. So friends, I think you enjoyed this saree journey with me. If you want to know more about Indian sarees, you can write a comment. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on notification bell. If you like this video, then don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.